At the recent Congress Legislature Party meeting held in Shillong, various items in the agenda were discussed, two of which relate to education and rural development. The CLP leader Dr. MUKUL SANGMA informed the media that out of concern for the students of the state as well as for the challenges faced by them and their parents, the Congress party felt that the government has to find a way to address these concerns by coming up with a mechanism to cater to the educational needs of the students in the rural areas.
Agonizing experiences through which the parents and children are going through because of the new format of imparting education, whether elementary level or your higher secondary level. Because of the online classes, the children are required to have smartphones. How many people are having smartphones? If there are 100 students in one school, how many of them have smartphones? So this part, government has to address. They should ensure that there is a mechanism created to ensure that the underprivileged students, children belonging to the economically weaker section and those who can't afford because of economic constraints are taken care of. There has to be a mechanism.
The CLP leader, while speaking about the lack of electricity in rural areas of the state, said that the people are suffering since the government has not seen to it that transformers that are no longer in use have not been replaced, thereby leading to non-availability of electricity despite bills cleared by the public.
Villages who are suffering because of lack of electricity, villages after villages, due to lack of electricity, the transformers have conked out and there is no replacement. Villagers were told, that's why I have told them, look, this electricity, distribution of electricity is part of essential services. Okay. When it comes to controlling the likelihood of agitation of the employees of the MEGHALAYA, then they will say that, oh, look, you can't do it because it's essential services. But they're subjecting people to so much of discrimination by not providing and replacing the transformers on time. Even after people have cleared their dues and whatever pending bills were there. This is the scene. So you can understand the magnitude of agonizing experiences that our children are being subjected to during this time.
On the poor internet network connectivity in villages across the state, Dr. MUKUL SANGMA stated that the government should wake up and take cognizance of this problem by holding a meeting with all service providers who have been making money due to increased capping on their services.
Another one, this lack of connectivity, network problem. Many of the service providers are failing. Government should take cognizance of this and have a review with all the service providers, whether Airtel, whether Jio. They're making money, Jio, Airtel, because of the whole increase in traffic. But they must also fulfill their responsibility to attend to this crucial sector. So that's why the government has to wake up.